In this guide, I'll show you how to change your WordPress password from cPanel. So there's two different methods to do this. We first just need to log into our cPanel account, and then we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom here, and you should have this option down here, WordPress Manager By. So just go ahead and select that. Then go ahead and select Manage Users. Select the username of the account that you want to change, and then go ahead and set the new password. Once you're finished, we can press Save. And if you want to add a new user, you can also do that by selecting Add User and filling out the information like so. So if this method doesn't work for you, the second method we can use to change your WordPress password is to come back over to your cPanel, scroll down until you find the section for phpMyAdmin and click this. Select databases from the top left hand side, click on your WordPress database. Inside of here you should have an entry with the underscore of users. Mine's at the bottom here, this WPCH_users. Yours might be titled something slightly different, but it should have underscore users, so click this. Then click edit on the left hand side, come over to this user pass section, and we're going to change the drop down to MD5. And then finally, just go ahead and type in your new password. Scroll down to the bottom and go ahead and select Go. And congratulations, you've now successfully changed your WordPress password. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.